My dear viewers, I have returned back with a new video. Today's topic is on the first battle of Panipat. Before starting, I will request you to like, comment and share this video as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now let us start today's video. The first battle of Panipat took place on 21st April in AD 1621 between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi near the small village of Panipat, presently located in the state of Haryana. Though it may be odd to hear that Babur defeated more than 1 lakh soldiers of Ibrahim Lodi with his 13,000 soldiers only, but it is true. Babur was a descendant of Timur from one side and Genghis Khan from the another. He was actually the Prince of Fargana in Samarkand region of Central Asia. After losing Samarkand twice, he decided to leave Samarkand and conquer the other places located in Asia. After leaving Samarkand and crossing the Chenab River, the subcontinent catched his eyes. Babur knew that his forefather Timur once invaded India and conquered many areas of Punjab. So he thought himself to be the rightful owner of Punjab provinces and northwestern parts of India. So first he conquered Kabul. His next target was to conquer the northern parts of India. During the time of During that time, the northern frontier of India was under the Lodi ruler Ibrahim Lodi. Babur came to know that Lodi administration has been suffering due to the inner conflicts. Many of the ministers were angry on Ibrahim Lodi due to his wrong administration policies. It was Ibrahim's uncle Daulat Khan Lodi, the Nizam of Punjab, who called Babur to dethrone Ibrahim and seize Delhi. Daulat Khan also Daulat Khan also supplied troops to help Babur. Babur now came and captured various villages near Lahore. It was the 21st of April in AD 1621 when the rival armies of Ibrahim and Babur faced each other near the small village of Panipat. Ibrahim Lodi called nearly 1 lakh people and 300 war elephants, while Babur had only 13,000 soldiers approximately. But Babur and his army had full of experience and a weapon that Lodi and his forces didn't know about: the gunpowder and the cannons. Before the war, Babur dug a 7-kilometer long trench and filled it with leaves and sand. He bought many bullock carts and fixed them with his cannons. Babur planned to fight in an aggressive way, because if he didn't fight in an aggressive way, then his small army would be moved by Ibrahim's army within a few hours. So he planned to fight in an aggressive way. When Lodi and his force came, more than 30,000 Lodi soldiers were trapped in a trench. Thousands were killed by cannons. On hearing the sound of Babur's cannons, Ibrahim's war elephants on fear killed more than 10,000 Ibrahim Lodi's soldiers. The war ended with in 5 hours to 6 hours when Babur won and Ibrahim Lodi was killed by Babur's army. This war helped Babur to spread his authority over Delhi and Agra and to spray the base of the Mughal Empire.